Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties by Dav Pilkey. Dogman, behind the scenes. Hi, everybody. It's your old pals, George and Harold. Yo, what's up, dogs? We're in the 5th grade now. We're older and wiser and totally mature, I might add. We even got a new teacher named Miss Travis. She's pretty cool, except for one thing. She makes us read classic literature. This month, we're reading A Tale of Two Cities, and we're having a dickens of a time. Ha 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 ha. Like we said, we're totally mature now. Anyway, we didn't think we'd like it, but it's actually pretty good. Yeah, it's deep and stuff. It inspired us to make a brand new Dogman graphic novel. Now we're deep too. And so, Treehouse Comics proudly presents A Tale of Oppression, A Tale of Redemption, A Tale of Rebirth, and A Tale of Hope, A Tale of Two Kitties. But first, a recap of our story thus far. Dogman Super Recap. There were the best of cops. They were the worst of cops. It was a time of cowardice. Ha ha! It was an era of bravery. They were looking at a bomb. It was a moment of melancholy. Kaboom! It was an hour of worrisome. Wee-oo, wee-oo. It was a day of despair. Oh no, the cop's head is dying and the dog's body is dying. It was an epic of inspiration. I know. Let's sew the dog's head onto the cop's body. Hooray! Yay! It was a procedure of precariousness. It was a surgery of success. Hooray for Dogman! There was a cop with a dog's head on the cold streets of a savage city. There was a cat with a wicked heart, enchained in kitty custody. Rats. And so begins our tale of mirth and woe. It ain't easy being deep and mature, but somebody's gotta do it.
Dogman.
Chapter the 1st.
Recalled to Duty by George and Harold.
Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Hey everybody, we're in the news and it's a good story this time. Look, trending now. Dogman and Chief are heroes by Sarah Hedda. I can't wait to show Dogman. Hey, where is Dogman? Choo, 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 choo. Dogman! Oh, Dogman. No, wait! No! Stop! Get off! Quit it, bad doggy! How many times have we talked about this? That's no way for a cop to behave. I'm getting tired of this. Tired. Hey, Chief, didn't you want to show Dogman the news? Oh, yeah. Look, we're heroes because we saved the world from Flippy. Lick, lick, lick. It says here that scientists are going to study Flippy's brains. Dogman, I have an important job for you. I'm putting you in charge of security. Who wants to protect the scientists? Who's a good protector? Who wants to protect and serve? Go protect them! Gee, Chief, are you sure that was a good idea? Sure, I'm sure. Why not? Well, Flippy is a dead fish. Remember how Dogman likes to roll around in dead fish? Aw, he'd never do anything like that. Dogman is a good doggy. Plunk. Chapter the 2nd.
You've gotta be
kidding me.
Meanwhile.
Oh boy, today is my birthday and the warden gave me all of these balloons. Here's one for you, Tippy, and here's one for you, Fluffy. And here's one for you, Mr. Whiskers. Respect. Hey, Petey! Look, Petey! 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 Pop. Hey, Big Jim, wait up! No, you're mean. Aw, come on, man. That was just a little joke.
Go away.
Ah, don't be mad. I got you a present and everything.
You did?
Sure I did. I buried in that sandbox over there.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, I'll hold your balloons for you while you dig it up.
Gee, thanks.
Oh boy, I wonder what he got me. Oh, I think I found something. Ew! Gross! Home at last.
Says creep out. Lab, sweet lab.
Boy, this place is a dump. I need to get a new butler. Someone who thinks like me and acts like me and has a wretched soul like me. I got it! And so, tick-tack, tick-tack. Cloning machine.
2 to 3 days later.
Ding dong. Gimme!
Please sign here.
Slam. Ow! Step 1. Insert DNA to DNA chute. It says directions. Insert DNA into DNA chute. Press number 2. Press start button. Number 3. Open door to surprise yourself. Step 3. Open door to retrieve your clone. Cling. Step 2. Press start button. Clunk. Chunka. Ding. Step 3. Open door to retrieve your clone. Ding. He kind of looks confused. So he flips it over. And it says, Step 4. Wait 18 years for your clone to reach adulthood. No refunds. Papa!
I'm not your papa.
You're my clone.
I want my whisker back. I want my money back. I want my life back. Chapter the 3rd. The $6,000 fish.
Hello, I'm Dr. Dookie from the Super Awesome Science Center over there. Our team of science dudes just returned from the mountain. We went there to dig up Flippy, the psychokinetic fish. Why'd you dig him up? 'Cause we want to study his amazing brain, duh. But I thought Flippy was dead. He is. But unfortunately, he was perfectly preserved in ice. Show him, Dogman. See, not a scratch on him. What wonders can Flippy's brain teach us?
What knowledge can we gain? What power lies in wait of discovery? Uh-oh, Dogman is rolling on that dead fish! No! And he's doing it in Flipporama! Introducing Flipporama. Bad doggy!
Look what you did! Flippy is squished!
You ruined everything! Go sit over there and look sad. Sadder!
Why did you guys gotta be so mean to Dogman? He broke every bone in this fish's body. So what? It was already dead.
How are we supposed to study the brain of a squished fish?
I know. We can rebuild him. We can make him better than he was. Faster, stronger, fishier.
That's a good idea. Let's go back to the Super Awesome Science Center over there.
Okay.
Come on, Dogman, you can help us. But you still have to look sad. That's better.
The Super Awesome Science Center over there.
Soon, the scientists had a big operation. They replaced all of Flippy's broken bones with bionics. Flippy was now more machine than fish. But it's a good thing Flippy is dead. I know he'd be so dangerous if he ever came back to life.
Yeah, with his telekinetic brain and bionic super strength, he'd be unstoppable.
Well, I'm glad we don't have to worry about that. Me too. With Dogman guarding him, what could go wrong? Let's go home and get some rest. Good idea.
We'll study Super Mechanic Flippy Brain tomorrow.
Good night, Dogman, and don't let anything bad happen. Slam. Boink. It got thrown out the window. And a bird took it. Oh, no. Oh, Dogman looks very worried.
Oh, hi, Dogman. How did your security job go? Why are you hiding behind that plant? Were you a bad doggy? Did you do a bad thing? What did you do?
Meanwhile, cough, 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 cough. Living spray. He drops it in the living spray factory. Chapter the 4th. No more kitten around.
Free kitty. Oh boy, new test tubes. Crash. Did you fall down?
Yes, I fell down. Why?
Because I tripped on you.
Why?
Because you were in my way.
Why?
Because you're a pest. Where are you going, Papa? It's time to eat. Why? And stop calling me Papa. Why? Because I'm not your Papa. Why? Eat this. Why? Because I said so. Twang, plop. Ha 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 ha! You're funny, Papa. Why?
Later.
Hey, Papa! Look what I made you a book. Why don't you go make me a cup of tea instead? Okay.
Soon. It's about time.
Psst, psst, psst. Hey, this is pretty good. Thanks. I couldn't find the tea strainer, so I used the fly swatter. That does it!
Petey looks upset. Finds a box, and he writes Free Kitty on the box.
All right, get in.
Why?
Just get in, but why? We're gonna play a game. It's called the New Home Game. This is just for pretend, though, right?
Of course. And so...
Oh, look! A free kitty. How much does he cost? $1. Oh, rat, I don't have $1. I only have $10. Hey, you're in luck. He's on sale today for $10. Great. What's his name? He doesn't have a name. I do too have a name. My name's Little Petey. Hey, don't listen to him. You can call him whatever you want. I think I'll call you Snowball. I think I'll call you Poo-Poo Head. How rude. Bye-bye, Poo-Poo Head. All right, wise guy. Next time, let me do the talking. I don't want to be here all day. I gotta go potty. Just hold it, man. Gee whiz, what is wrong with everybody these days? It makes you worry about the future. Duh, how much does it cost? What an idiot! I mean, the sign clearly says.
Free kitty.
Hey, little cat! Ah! Hey, little dude!
Realizes that the kitty's still gone. And he flushes the toilet. And he's like, this is a perfect time to get away. He looks around. It's like, Papa!
Papa! Life is hard and filled with fright for my little crate and me. We are all alone tonight, filled with sad uncertainty. But do not worry, little crate, together we'll endure our fate. Good night, little crate, don't be afraid.
Chapter the 5th, Crate Expectations.
Meanwhile,
looks a little nervous. Getting kind of sad.
Mommy.
He's feeling bad.
Little Petey, come out, wherever you are. Little Petey, little Petey.
2 hours later. Oh, he looks kind of sad. The sign says,
Papa and me, little Petey. To Papa and me are in the air. It rained and Papa and me went into the lab. Papa and me go to our car. Look at Papa's new invention. Papa and me think the same things. The end. What have I done? Meanwhile, 2.0. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Living spray factory. Rumble, rumble. What's the problem? I think the smokestack is clogged. Well, you better unclog it before that tank explodes. Hot living spray gas. And the smokestack filter. Hey, what's this? I'm not sure. It looks like some sort of evil bionic psychokinetic dead fish. But how did it get stuck in our smokestack? And who could be responsible for such a thing? Meanwhile, 3.0. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Hey, what are you doing behind that plant? No, wait! No! Stop! Cut it out! Bad doggy! What is wrong with you? Listen, Dogman, it's time to go home. I'll see you in the morning, okay? And no more jumping. I'm getting too old for that stuff. Slam. Hey, there's a cat out there and... No, get off of me. Stop. Enough. Bad doggy. I was only gone for 10 seconds. Dogman, there's a cat outside. You need to get rid of him. And make it snappy. Hey! And so... Oh, look, how cute. Let's adopt this kitty. Okay, we can dye his fur pink to match our hair. Grrr. Woof, 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 woof. Aw, look. Let's take him home. Well, all right, but one condition. We must get him declawed so he won't wreck our furniture. Okay. Grrr, grrr. Woof, 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 woof. Oh my, how precious. Would you like to live with me? You'll fit right in with my 29 other cats. Grrr, grrr. Woof, 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 woof. Is that your house? It looks bigger on the inside. Is that your bed? Boing, boing. My bed is hard, but your bed is bouncy. Rip. He gave him some fluff for his bed. Then he changed the words from Free Kitty to Sleepy Kitty. Oh. It says brush, 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 jump, 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 kiss, kiss, kiss. And they're all so tired. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Chapter the 6th. A bunch of stuff that happened next. Meanwhile, at last, my 80-hexatron droid Formigon is complete.
It's 88.
Okay, Bub, I need you to scan this comic. Scanotron. Chunk-a-chunk, chunk-a-chunk. Now, go find the kid who made it. And so, flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop, flip. Well, 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 I should have known. Don't just stand there. Get him. He's very all asleep. Sleepy kitties. Oh, he got him. Look, little kitty. And so... Oh, hi, Papa. Don't call me Papa. Hey, where's Dogman? Dogman isn't here. Dogman is my friend. Dogman saved me from a bunch of weirdos. Dogman goes, grrr! Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Would you cut that out? Woof, woof, woof. 2 hours later. And then these weird guys want to dye my fur pink, so Dogman goes, grrr! Then Dogman goes, woof, 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 woof. And Dogman scared him away, and then, enough about Dogman! Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Grrr! Sewing. Woof, woof. Snip, snip. Woof, woof. Woof. Hey, look! It's Dogman! Watch and learn, kid. P, the world's most smartest cat, proudly presents the true story of Dogman. La, 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 da. Hi, I'm Dogman. I'm a big dummy. I like to chase cars and drink out of the toilet. Ha, 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 ha. It's not funny. I gotta go sniff another dog's butt and roll around in duck poop and ha 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 and go take stupid lessons so I can be ha 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 ha. It's not funny. Oh, look, who's here? It's Petey. Look at me. I'm so smart. I'm totally cool. I built awesome robots and other cool stuff. I'm gonna rule the world one day. Hey, do Dogman again. No, Dogman is dumb. Petey is a genius. He's so cool and awesome and handsome. Everybody wants to be like Petey. Just look at that physique. Those massive pecs, those abs of steel, those distinctive high cheekbones. You know, if I weren't so modest, I'd... Zzz. Meanwhile... Zzz. Oh no, Dogman wonders where the kitty went. He gets up on his house and searches high and low. Ring, ring, whoosh. Hi, Dogman. It's me, Sarah. How's it going? Woo. Oh, no. We'll be right over. What's the problem, Dogman? Lost kitty. If found, call cops. Come on. Let's make some copies and spread them around. Living Spray Factory. Well, what should we do with this dead fishy thing? Let's get rid of it. We don't want it stinking up the place. Okay. 2 points. Aw, man. He jumped out of the trash can. Tink, tonk, tink, tonk, tink. Clunk. Psh. Uh-oh. That fish bionic claw punctured the living spray tank. Pretty soon the whole factory will fill up with living spray. What should we do now? Run! Chapter the 7th, Recalled to Life. Meanwhile, rise and shine, kid. Give me that. Hey, just forget about Dogman for a minute. We've got important stuff to do today. Check this baby out. Wow, he's an 80 hexatron droid Formagon. I call him ADHD for short. He's a transforming superbot. He can do almost anything. He can shoot missiles, crush things, destroy stuff. Can he play Duck, Duck, Goose? Yeah, but no. Why would you want to? Listen, kid, you're my clone. That means you're the same as me. Your soul is wretched just like mine. You've got a whole lifetime of evilness ahead of you. And this evil robot can help you achieve all of your rotten dreams. Slap. Can he play hide and seek? Look, kid. I just programmed ADHD to obey your every command. Once you feel the power in your paws, I'm sure that your evil side will rise to the surface. Go ahead and make him do something. Seriously, he'll do anything you want. Anything. They play jump rope, they play patty cake, they dance to the music. What part of evil robot do you not understand? Meanwhile, ha ha ha. This living spray gas has brought me back to life, and it looks like I've got a few improvements. But Super Mecha Flippy was not the only thing coming to life. As a living spray gas spread throughout the factory began coming to life too. Gooba Gobba. This beastie building is just what I need to help me get revenge.
Gooba Gobba.
Arise, my beastie building. Let us create others in your magnificent image. Shh. Sweet.
Gooba Gobba. Gooba Gobba. Gooba Gobba. Gooba Gobba. Shh. Ha ha ha. Gooba Gobba.
Help! My building came to life.
Shh. Shh. Gooba Gobba.
Help! So did mine.
Gooba Gobba.
Can you bean?
Mine too, right?
Gooba Gobba. Gooba Gobba.
One of us. One of us. Gooba Gobba. Gooba Gobba. One of us. One of us.
Gooba Gobba.
Gooba Gobba. One of us. One of us. Soon, the living spray factory ran out of gas. Uh-oh. But not before it had created a whole army of beastie buildings. Ha ha ha. And I'm controlling them all with my super mind powers. Meanwhile, hey, that robot is not your friend.
This is seriously, it's not playtime. Open up, ADHD. I said open up, ADHD. Oh yeah, I forgot I just programmed ADHD to obey your commands. Tell him to open up. Open up, ADHD. Shh. Now say robot suit mode.
Robo suit mode.
Now say activate. Activate.
Zip. Pop.
Wow. You see, ADHD is now an extension of you. You have the strength and size of a giant. Now you can do anything you want. Anything? Sure, anything your rotten little heart desires. Triple Flipperama, says Petting Papa, Disco Papa, Rockabye Papa. You're driving me crazy. You're driving me cray-cray. But then, wee-oh, screech. Hey, gang! A bunch of buildings came to life and they're about to attack. Here they come now. We gotta split, man. Come on, what are you waiting for? We mustn't run, sheep. When the roof shuts out the sky, we must be the light. Charge! Says no parking. Quick, Chief! Grab the end of this dental floss and tie it around the sign across the street.
Says towaway zone.
Trip. Ah! Crash! And another one trips over it. Crash! French salad dressing. Dogman and Zuzu watched the action. Slippery when wet. Then they got an idea of their own. Vroom. French salad dressing. Release button. Click. That's pretty silly.
So glug, glug, glug. They dump out the French salad dressing. They zip.
Crash. Crash.
And then
crash. Crash. Hey, what's all that noise? Let's find out. Flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop. Crash. They're on top of Petey's secret lab. I wish I could see better. Wow, binoculars. Clink. French salad dressing. Uh-oh. Dogman is in trouble. I'll save you. Little Petey, wait. Hey. Little Petey, come back. We're supposed to be the bad guys. Chapter the 8th. The French Dressing Revolution. French salad dressing. Hey, what happened over here? My beautiful beastie buildings Who could have done such a thing? Hey, Chief, let's help Dogman and Zuzu destroy some more buildings. Okay.
Gooba gabba, gooba gabba.
All right, fellas, those 4 goody-goodies have defeated half of our army.
Gooba gabba.
Let's get some revenge.
Whoops.
And watch where you're stepping this time. Oh no, Dogman and Zuzu just ran out of salad dressing. But that's not the worst of their problems. Look out, Dogman and Zuzu. It looked like this was the end. But then, zoom! What was that? Beats me. Oh well, at least Dogman and Zuzu are safe. We're not safe. They're falling. Who will save them? Swoosh. Crash. I'll save them with ADHD power. I can't bear to look. Me neither. What will we ever do without them? Slurp, slurp, slurp. Lick-o-wumma. He takes a licking and keeps on ticking. It was a happy reunion, but it didn't last long. Gooba gabba, gooba gabba, gooba gabba, gooba gabba. Chapter the 9th. Big fight. Gulp. Nom, nom, nom. Pow! Whoosh! Crunch, chunka. Munch. Gooba, gubba. Shh. Instant oatmeal, just add water. Psh. He bit the finger of the gooba gubba. Flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop. Beach. And then, splish, splash. Holland Oaks. The factory filled with water, and the oats began to expand. Holland Oats. Holland. Morph. Oh no, there are only 4 beastie buildings left. Get that Robo Kitty.
Gooba gabba, gooba gabba.
ADHD, don't fail me now. Psh. And so, hooray! Those jerks may have defeated my beastie buildings, but they're no match for my psychokinetic mind powers. I think I'll start by getting rid of this Robo-Cat.
Be gone from me! Whoosh!
Little Petey, I'm coming! We're coming too, and so am I! Ha ha ha! Swoosh! Crash! Little Petey, are you okay? Yeah, but ADHD got broke. Don't worry, he can be repaired. Is he okay? Yeah. We gotta get out of here. That evil fish is on his way. Robo-Cat, come out and play. I'm not finished with you yet. Come on, we gotta split. You'll never get away from me. Let's go. I'll hunt you down till my last breath. What are you waiting for? I'll never stop until you're dead. You better run, puppy. It's me he wants. Take him, Dogman. You guys gotta get out of here. I'll stall the fish while you escape. Hurry! It's our only chance to save the kid. Run!
Ready or not, here I come. It is a far, far better thing that I do, Pop, than I have ever done. Well. If it isn't the mighty Robo-Cat. Gee, you're much cuter from a distance. You're not cute at all up close. Oh well. Come along now, it's time to die. Meanwhile, it looked like the gang had escaped.
Hey, it's my cop car. Let's hide out in this building, okay?
Art supplies.
Hurry, and soon. I wish they would stop staring out that window. Me too. There's nothing we can do. Drawing tablet. Crayons. There's always something you can do.
Meanwhile,
how should I get rid of this guy? I know. I'll drop him into that volcano over there. And once he is gone, I'll destroy Dogman and his heroic friends.
A few minutes later. Clunk, clunk. My friend Flippy. Munch, munch, munch. Clunk. The end.
Hey! That kitty just stole my car. Get him, Dogman. Wee-oh, wee-oh, wee-oh.
Free test drives. Jeeves choppers and hand gliders. Jeeves stoppers and hand gliders.
Hi, Dogman.
Woof, woof, woof. Oh, yes, I see you noticed our roof. We have a new sign. Please feel free to test drive any of our fine products. And so, boom, zoom, whoosh. Meanwhile,
things were not looking very good for Petey. He was being lifted higher and higher by the mighty brain powers of Super Mecha Flippy.
Ha ha ha. As soon as he reaches 10,000 feet, I'll drop him into that volcano. But then, screech.
Hey, watch where you're driving, Leadfoot. Hey, Flippy, what you doing?
I'm very busy destroying this robo-cat.
Why?
'Cause he's a jerk.
Why?
Because he busted up my beastie buildings.
Why?
Because they were going to destroy the city.
Why?
Because I told them to.
Why?
Because I was mad.
Why?
Because nobody likes me.
Why?
I don't know. Nobody has ever liked me, even back in school. The other fish never played with me. They called me Fatty Fish Lips.
I'm sorry. Hey, I know it will cheer you up. Look, I made a book. I made you a book. Do you want to read it? Okay. And so, Flippy and me flew up to a star. They had a swing set, so we swinged on it. I fell off, but Flippy saved me. Flippy and me went under the sea, and we ate 5 soups. The end. Did you like it? It was
beautiful. As Flippy's evil heart melted, something strange began to happen. Oh no, my evil powers, they're getting weaker. Oh. This was not good news for Petey. Uh-oh. Oh well, I guess this is the end. Goodbye, cruel world. It was a far, far better rest that I go to than I have ever known. Wow, thanks, Dogman. Click. Rats. Chapter the 10th. 3 endings. The first ending. Flippy's story. Soon, everybody was safely on the ground. Hooray for Dogman. Pooey. But then, Flippy, you've been a naughty fish today.
I know.
Zuzu and I are making a citizen's arrest.
Okay.
But before I go, could I borrow this book for a while?
You can keep it. I made it for you.
Really?
Yeah. I'll make more if you want. Okay. Let's be pen pals. We can make books for each other. Okay. 2 weeks later. Yo, Flippy. You got another letter from that dumb kitten. He's not dumb. He's my friend. Whatever, you. Don't scare me anymore, Flippy. You're weak and rusty now. Yeah, well, I may be weak, and I may be rusty. Flippy and me meet Mr. Bug, but I'm happy.
The second ending. Petey's story. Meanwhile, back in the present.
All right, Petey, I'm taking you to jail. Why, what'd I do?
You escaped on page 27. Remember? Oh, yeah. Well, kid, it looks like you'll be staying with Dogman for a while.
Okay.
But don't forget where you came from. Don't forget to be evil. Clink. You know what? On second thought, just be yourself, kid. You know, Chief, you gotta change my ways. Yup. I mean, you got a kid now. I know. I can't be going around being a jerk all the time. That's right. I've got to be responsible. I agree. I've got to be a role model. So true. I've got to be good. Absolutely. And I'm going to be good. Hooray! Will you help me be good, Chief? Sure I will. I know I can do it with your help, Chief. It's my pleasure. I'm very proud of you, Petey. Thanks, Chief. Let's hug it out.
Okay. Aw, yeah, that's the stuff. We'll see you later, Chief. Okay, bye. Petey! Ha ha ha.
The third ending. Little Petey's story.
Hey, look. Here's his other flip-flop. It took forever, but we'll finally got all the pieces. When will we get home? I'm gonna rebuild him. I can make him better than he was. Faster, stronger, awesomer. Oh, it's bedtime. Good night, ADHD. We'll play together tomorrow. Have a happy dream. And so, took a bath, dried off, brushed his teeth. He got a story read to him called The Cute Little Squirrel. Grrr! Woof, woof, woof. Flip. Grrr! Grrr! Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. The end. Ain't you glad the story didn't have no unhappy endings? I sure am.
But wait.
If you thought our adventure was over, you ain't read nothing yet. At this very moment, George and Harold are busy creating their next work of depth and maturity. Take a peep, my peeps. When a glamorous movie starlet disappears, Yuli Caprice kidnapped. Dogman is there to help. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. But who will help Dogman? Find out in our next exciting epic novel, Dogman and Cat Kid. If you like action, and you like suspense, and you like laughs, then Dogman is go. Dogman is go. That don't make no sense, but we like it. Then they just have a bunch of drawing things in the back of the book. Oh, and it says, read to your Dogman. Hey, man, I love to read, man. Me too, man. But did you know there's a way to take your reading skills to the next level? How, man? Just read to your dog, man. Researchers have studied the benefits of reading out loud to dogs. Here's what they discovered. Kids who read out loud to dogs can improve their fluency by 12 to 30%. I feel smarter already, man. Me too, man. Plus, there are lots of other potential benefits, too. Reading to your dog can lead to better communication skills, man. Yo, I'm a communication fool, man. Me too, man. It can boost your confidence. It can help to reduce anxiety. Dogs don't judge you, so there's no need to stress out if you mess up. She mispronounced the word. He doesn't care. Reading to dogs has also been linked to increased empathy and kindness. But what if you don't have a dog, man? Check with your local library or animal shelter. They might have volunteer dogs you can read to. So take your reading to the next level, man, and read to your dog, man. Thank you for joining me in reading this book, Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties. Have a wonderful night. Bye.